Going to the sixth question. A tractor uses 12 liters of diesel while plowing 3 acres of land. How much diesel will be needed to plow 19 acres of land? So, diesel. Okay. Diesel needed to plow 3 acres. How much? 12 liters. So diesel needed to plow 1 acre will be equal to 12 by 3. What is 12 by 3? It is 4. 4 liters. So, diesel needed to plow. What is the question? How many acres? It is 19 acres. 19 acres will be equal to 4 into 19. What is 4 into 19? 36. 3 carry 7. 76. Okay. So 76 is the answer. What is it? 76. 76 liter. Okay. Of diesel. Okay. That is the answer. So I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7, 8 and 9 you will do as homework, okay? And when you are doing the homework, if you have any doubt or something, you can ask me, okay? Message me, okay? Next one, I will tell you something at the sugar factory. 5,378 sugar can be obtained from 48 tons. If Savitri has grown 50 tons of sugar, how much sugar will she yield? So, 48 tons, how much kg? 5,378. So, 50 tons, how much sugar will be there? You have to find. So, first you will find 1 ton, how much sugar? That is 5,376 by 48. That you will multiply by 50. Okay, that is how you will do. For 1 ton you will find 1 ton how many kg you will find out. Then for 50 kg you will find out. Okay. And in the next one, for everything just unitary method. That is for 1 you will find out, that you will multiply with the number you want to find. Next one, 8th one, in an orchard there are 128 mangoes in 8 rows. If all the rows have equal number of trees, how many trees would there be in 13 rows? So in 8 rows there are 128 mangoes. So in 1 row how many? In 1 row there will be 128 by 8. So then in 13 rows it will be 128 by 8 into 13. So in between you will have to simplifying, that is you will have to divide, and sometimes you will have some common factor and you will divide, and then you will get a whole number at the end. You will be getting a whole number, okay, not as fraction. In between there might be a fraction. And the 9th one, also same way you have to do, okay, every one. A pond in a field holds 1,20,000 liter. It cost 18,000. How many ponds will be required to store? So 1,20,000 liter. How many ponds will be required to store? 4,80,000 liters of water. A pond in a field holds. So 1 pond holds 1,20,000 liters. Okay. So how many ponds will be required to store? 4,80,000 liters of water. And what would be the expense? So first 1 pound is 1,20,000. So how many pounds for this much? What will you do is you will have to first you'll have to divide 4,80,000 by 80,000 by 1,20,000. So the answer will give you number of pounds. Okay. Then it cost 18,000 rupees to make such a pound. So that is the answer. How many pounds you will get? That you will multiply with 18,000. Then you will get the answer. Okay. So just go through the question and find the what is specifically asked. And then find the answer. Okay. So last one, you will first divide 4,80,000 by 1,20,000. The answer, actually the answer you will get 12 into 4 is 48. So answer you will get is 4 pounds. And 4 you will multiply with 18,000. I am actually giving you the answer, okay, which I am giving as homework, okay. So the answer you will get by 4 into 18,000. In case you have any doubt, you can ask me a message. Okay, first you have to try. First itself don't message me. Okay, if you need any help, you can ask me. So with this 11th chapter about ratio proportion is done. Okay, so you learned how to solve word problems using unitary method, and what is ratio, what is meant by ratio, what is meant by proportion, how it is used in daily life, right? So with this chapter is done. Okay, so and especially when you are asked to find the ratio proportion, you have to see the units are same. If one is in kg, one is in gram, you have to make both the units same. Then only you can find the ratio, right? So those are the main points to note. So next day we'll learn a new chapter. Okay, so do 7, 8 and 9 as homework. Okay. So next day we'll learn a new chapter. Till then, bye children.